Hello everyone. Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will be discussing natural remedies that will help fight inflammation in the body. So let's dive right in. Have you ever wondered why your body feels like it's constantly fighting an invisible war? That burning sensation in your joints, the persistent fatigue that won't go away, or the mysterious aches that seem to appear from nowhere? What you're experiencing might be chronic inflammation, and today I'm going to reveal the natural remedies that could transform how your body feels from the inside out. Inflammation isn't always the villain we make it out to be. When you cut your finger or twist your ankle, inflammation is actually your body's superhero response, rushing healing compounds to the injured area. But here's where things get dangerous. When inflammation becomes chronic and starts attacking healthy tissue, it transforms from protector to destroyer. Think of chronic inflammation like a smoke alarm that won't stop beeping. Instead of alerting you to real danger, it's creating chaos throughout your entire system. This silent destroyer has been linked to heart disease, diabetes, arthritis, and even certain cancers. The scary part? Most people living with chronic inflammation don't even realize it's happening. So how do you know if inflammation is wreaking havoc in your body? The signs are more common than you might think. Persistent joint pain, especially in the morning. Brain fog that makes you feel like you're thinking through molasses. Digestive issues that seem to come and go without explanation. Skin problems like eczema or unexplained rashes. And that bone-deep fatigue that sleep doesn't seem to fix. But here's the incredible news. Your kitchen might already contain some of the most powerful anti-inflammatory weapons on the planet. Let's start with the golden warrior itself, turmeric. This vibrant spice contains curcumin, a compound so effective at fighting inflammation that some studies suggest it rivals certain pharmaceutical drugs. The key is pairing turmeric with black pepper, which increases curcumin absorption by up to 2,000%. Moving from your spice rack to your fruit bowl, berries are inflammation-fighting powerhouses disguised as delicious treats. Blueberries, strawberries, and blackberries are loaded with anthocyanins, compounds that don't just fight inflammation but actually help repair cellular damage. Just 1 cup of mixed berries daily can significantly reduce inflammatory markers in your blood. Now let's talk about fatty fish, nature's anti-inflammatory prescription. Salmon, mackerel, sardines, and anchovies contain omega-3 fatty acids that actively cool down inflammatory pathways in your body. These healthy fats work like molecular firefighters, extinguishing inflammatory fires before they spread. Aim for at least 2 servings per week, and if you're not a fish lover, high-quality fish oil supplements can provide similar benefits. Leafy greens deserve special recognition in the Inflammation-Fighting Hall of Fame. Spinach, kale, arugula, and Swiss chard contain powerful antioxidants that neutralize free radicals, the troublemakers that fuel inflammation. But here's a pro tip most people miss. Lightly cooking these greens actually makes some of their anti-inflammatory compounds more bioavailable than eating them raw. Green tea isn't just a soothing beverage, it's liquid medicine for inflammation. The compound EGCG found in green tea has been shown to reduce inflammatory markers and protect against oxidative stress. For maximum benefit, brew your tea for at least 3 to 5 minutes and drink it between meals rather than with food. Extra virgin olive oil brings Mediterranean magic to your anti-inflammatory arsenal. This liquid gold contains oleocanthal, a compound that works similarly to ibuprofen in reducing inflammation, but without the side effects. Choose cold-pressed, extra virgin varieties and use them in salad dressing or drizzle over cooked vegetables. Garlic and ginger form a dynamic duo against inflammation. Garlic contains sulfur compounds that inhabit inflammatory enzymes, while ginger's gingerol provides powerful anti-inflammatory effects. Fresh is always better than powdered, so try incorporating minced garlic and grated ginger into your daily cooking routine. But fighting inflammation isn't just about what you add to your diet. It's also about what you remove. Sugar is inflammation's best friend, creating a cascade of inflammatory responses throughout your body. Processed foods loaded with trans fats and artificial additives fuel the inflammatory fire. Excessive alcohol consumption triggers inflammatory pathways and disrupts your body's natural healing processes. Your lifestyle choices play an equally crucial role in managing inflammation. Chronic stress elevates cortisol levels, which paradoxically increases inflammation over time. Regular exercise, particularly moderate activities like walking, swimming, or yoga, helps regulate inflammatory responses and boosts your body's natural anti-inflammatory mechanisms. Sleep isn't just rest, it's when your body performs critical anti-inflammatory maintenance. During deep sleep, your body produces growth hormone and other compounds that actively fight inflammation. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep nightly, and consider this your most important anti-inflammatory prescription. Dehydration can actually promote inflammation, so proper hydration is essential. Water helps flush inflammatory toxins from your system and keeps your cells functioning optimally. Add a slice of lemon for extra vitamin C and natural detoxification support. Here's something most people don't consider. Your gut health directly impacts inflammation throughout your entire body. A healthy microbiome acts like an anti-inflammatory command center, while an imbalanced gut can trigger systemic inflammation. Fermented foods like yogurt, kefir, sauerkraut, and kimchi help maintain this crucial balance. The beautiful thing about natural anti-inflammatory approaches is that they work synergistically. You're not just addressing inflammation, you're supporting your entire body's health and vitality. Start with small changes, perhaps adding turmeric to your morning smoothie or swapping refined oils for olive oil. Remember, consistency trumps perfection. You don't need to overhaul your entire life overnight. Choose 2 or 3 anti-inflammatory strategies that resonate with you and make them non-negotiable habits. Your body has an incredible capacity to heal itself when given the right tools. If you found these natural inflammation remedies helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more health-transforming content. What anti-inflammatory food will you try first? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and remember, your journey to reducing inflammation starts with the very next choice you make. So, I hope you enjoyed this video, and thanks for watching. Until the next video, have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.